I'm Sammy Fleming, Mine Safety Inspector for the Department of Mines, Mills and Energy.
And I'm Hersh Hayden, Mine Safety Inspector. Today we're going to take you through a Surface Mine Foreman on-shift examination. At the entrance to each mine site, we look for the directions to the job, no trespassing signs. Be sure and report to the mine office for hazard training, and also the MSHA and state mine index numbers.
Also, at the entrance of a haul road, you should see signs that will show you the CB channel that will be used for communications while you're traveling the haul roads.
Make sure all traffic rules, signals, and warning signs are standardized and are in place as required, such as steep grade and speed limit. Red zones are identified to protect the public. Make sure that red zone markers are in place and are visible to vehicle and equipment operators. Signs should be on the same level that the work is being performed.
At gas line crossings, we want to make sure that gas lines are properly identified and protected.
At our explosive storage area, we will examine for our fire extinguisher, and our magazines are in good construction and they are grounded effectively. We will make sure all locks are in place, as well as warning signs, and the area will be free of combustible material for 25 feet and located at a safe distance from buildings and haul roads unless barricaded. At the point where the road would fork, you would want to look for directional signs to each job site. At haul road intersections, make sure signs are in place to alert on-road vehicles and give directions for contacting the equipment operators before traveling into the road when they are intersecting a road where off-road haulers are being used. At our dumping areas, we need to be sure that when the dump dozer or spotter leaves the dump area, that our warning signs or markers are in place to clearly indicate dump locations.
When conducting an examination of a coal haul road, the examiner should always check for adequate berms. Make sure that berms are mid-axle height of the largest vehicle being used, with the berm being built or constructed of substantial material of at least 2-to-1 ratio, with the roads 1.5 times the width of the largest vehicle in use and 3 times the width of the vehicle if the road is used for passing.
This ends our surface on-shift examination. Remember, this is only an example. There are other examinations that we talked about during the course of this continuing education program. These examinations can vary depending on each mine site.